Sparkles, if you're reading this, Spirit is confirming it. He is missing you so much it's affecting his sleep. He keeps replaying your memories, realizing no one compares to you. A message is coming, sooner than you think. Claim it. My reconciliation is already done. Sparkling heart.
I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. No, I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you.